In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use SMS and email marketing for Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, including products, orders, customers, and apps. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Shopify store before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one store. Once you are on the Shopify admin homepage, take a moment to look at the left side menu. This is where you will find the main navigation options you need for this process. Next, go to the Apps menu inside Shopify. Your SMS and email marketing tool should be listed there if it has already been installed on your store. Apps are where Shopify keeps third-party tools that help extend your store's features. And in this case, the app will help you create automated messages and marketing campaigns for your customers. Click the app from the Apps menu to open it. After you click the app, it may open in a new browser tab. This is normal for many Shopify marketing apps. Give the page a moment to load fully before clicking around. You should now be inside the app dashboard, where you can manage your email and SMS marketing activity. Depending on the app, the layout may look slightly different, but the main sections should be easy to recognize. You are looking for the area where you can create automations, flows, and campaigns. Now find and click the Flows section. Flows are automated message sequences that are triggered by customer actions. For example, a flow can send a welcome message after someone signs up, or it can send a reminder after a customer leaves products in their cart. This is useful because it allows your store to communicate with customers at important moments without needing to send every message manually. Once you are in the Flows area, click the option to create a new flow. The app may show you several templates to choose from. Templates are helpful because they provide a ready-made structure that you can customize for your store. Look for a template that fits the type of automation you want to create. For example, you may choose a welcome series if you want to introduce new subscribers to your brand. You may choose an abandoned cart template if you want to remind shoppers to return and complete their purchase. After selecting a template, review the flow before moving forward. Look at the messages included in the sequence and make sure the timing and purpose make sense for your store. You do not need to overcomplicate this. The goal is to make sure the flow supports the customer journey in a clear and helpful way. A welcome series is usually focused on greeting new subscribers and encouraging them to explore your store. An abandoned cart flow is focused on reminding customers about items they were interested in. When your flow is ready, use the Publish option to make it active. Publishing the flow means the automation can begin running based on the conditions set inside the app. Before you publish, it is a good idea to quickly scan the flow one last time so you know what customers will receive and when they will receive it. Once everything looks correct, click Publish. Now that your automated flow is set up, you can also create campaigns. Campaigns are different from flows because they are usually one-time messages or scheduled broadcasts. For example, you can create a newsletter to share updates, promotions, or new products. You can also create an SMS blast to send a short message to your subscribers. Campaigns are useful when you want to reach a group of customers at the same time. Inside the app, go to the Campaigns area and create a new campaign. Choose whether you are creating an email campaign, an SMS campaign, or whichever option your app provides. Build the campaign using the tools available in the app, then choose when you want it to go out. You can send it right away, or you can schedule it for a later time. Scheduling is helpful if you want your message to arrive during a specific promotion, launch, or sales period. Once the campaign is ready, review it carefully. Make sure the message is clear, the timing is correct, and the campaign is going to the right audience. When everything looks good, click Send or schedule it to launch at the selected time. And that is all there is to it. You now know how to open your SMS and email marketing app from Shopify, create automated flows, choose templates, set up campaigns, and publish or send your messages.